going to go down or go up? The scale is going to go down. And if it is light, it will go up.
Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about my classmate Fun is from Barbara. Her favorite food is fried chicken, omelette, and noodles.
How are you? Good. Good job. How many pieces are left, everybody? 16. Good job. Okay.
September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year.
Mr. Q-Pao, can you please find me the taxi? Can you say this is the taxi? Yeah, very good. Please come here.
Yes.